Hey guys! Okay, so I saw this thing on TikTok and I had to try it and it's funny. So anyways, you take a bendy straw and you bend it, right? And then you put the shorter side like under your armpit and then you blow in this side and it makes fart sounds. Watch. William, where's yours?
I threw it away.
Why? I don't want to waste all of our straws. Give me another one. Let me see if I can show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so look, I bent it, right? Bendy straw. Bendy straw! And then I'm over here trying to do this one-handed because I'm holding a phone, but stick that part underneath your armpit.
What are you doing?
I'm making a video. Oh, hold on, it fell out.